It's time to tear down them altars and kick them idols out. Your zodiac signs, your horoscopes, your tarot cards, your crystals, all of these things that you pray to and that you practice. It's time to tear down those altars and kick these idols over. Mixing in all of this new age with the Most High, them days are dead. It's time to repent from all forms of witchcraft. Secretly doing all of these things in secret, going to the assembly and the churches, thinking that the Most High don't see. Your idols must be burned and the altars must be teared down. It's time to come up out of all forms of witchcraft. Don't play yourself. The Most High sees everything. Secretly doing all these things in the comfort of your home and then coming to assembly and churches, praising the Most High while secretly you worshiping other gods. Most High sees all. It's time to repent and turn from these things, because all of them things is of the devil. Anything of graven images, all these things that you are praying to, all of these things that you call yourself manifesting with this new age lie, your altars is going to be teared down and your idols is being kicked over. Last day spiritual blindness is here. Anything that you're doing in secret, the Most High sees, and it will be exposed. Some of you assemblies who doing divination secretly, praying over people's kids, praying over other different assemblies, Most High sees all. Repent, for the kingdom of Yah is at hand.